Dear students, this session deals with a unit test on the poem We Are the TSB Banking Directors, written by Daryl Ashton. So, this is going to be the fifth unit test that you will be writing, and this test will help you to check for yourselves whether you have understood all the sessions based on this particular poem. We will start with the questions. The first set of questions will be on annotations. Under this section, the first one is another UK bank is bought by a foreign source. We ask ourselves, was this good for us? We all replied, of course. Second one, nothing now is British. Oh, what a shame. But we have all made a killing. It is the name of the game. Now, when you're answering these questions, remember to give the name of the poem and the poet in the beginning, and then the analysis of the lines. The next one is the questions for which you are going to answer in a word or a phrase or a sentence. The first question is, to whom was the TSB sold? Second one, what does the line, we are rich because of you, refer to? Third one, what is the meaning of the word phony in the context of the poem? Remember to give the answers in a very precise way, as these questions carry 1 mark each. Next one is the question where you're going to write the long answer for 1.5 pages. The question is, comment on the use of satire in the poem. So you are going to take the entire poem into consideration when you are answering this question. Next comes the language components. First one under this category is punctuation. When you answer the questions, remember to make use of the commonly used punctuation marks like capital letter, comma, inverted commas, full stop, question mark, exclamatory mark, etc., which are the most commonly used ones. The first sentence, the teacher said, Dr. Ambedkar was a voracious reader and had an insatiable thirst for books. Second one, the father asked, why aren't you doing your homework, Suresh? Next one is framing questions. Now you have two different kinds of questions to be framed, WH questions and yes no questions. When you have underlined words in a sentence, frame a WH question. Otherwise, you will have to frame yes no question according to the instruction. First sentence is, the students like to celebrate ethnic day. Celebrate ethnic day is underlined. Instruction given here is, frame a question so as to get the underlined words as answer. Second one, the principal took class for 2 hours. 2 hours is underlined. Frame a question so as to get the underlined word as the answer. Third one, no, it was not a holiday. Now you will have to frame yes no question for this sentence. Next one is use of negatives. Remember the words no, never, not. So if you find any of these words in a sentence, to change it to a positive sentence, remove that word. To make it a negative sentence, use one of the words. The first sentence given here is, the grocery store does not sell processed food. Convert into an affirmative sentence. Second one, Raghav can't sing melodiously. Convert into affirmative sentence. Do you celebrate Diwali? Convert into negative sentence. Next one is linkers. Linkers also mean conjunctions. Sentences with blanks are given and the choices of the linkers are given below in brackets. Choose the correct linker and place it in the right blank. First sentence, Swati is clever dash lazy. Second one, dash you work hard, you will not succeed. Third one, dash, he is a physician. He does not help his neighbors when they are sick. Now, in your textbook, actually, you have one more topic on reading comprehension, which I have not given in this test. When you are writing the test, have the textbook right in front of you and please try to attempt the passage for your test as well. Reading comprehension passage. All the best. Thank you very much.